Hi everyone, in today's video I will conclude what we have learned so far for the talking head kind of video tutorial, especially cloning somebody else. So for the last 6 video, the first one is the introduction, then we go on to generating an image, and then to cloning a voice, and then to using different kind of software to generate a talking head kind of video, and finally we use CapCut for the subtitle or closed caption. And if you look at my YouTube shorts, and this one is actually generated using Heygen, and I was using the trial version a couple of months ago, and they still allowed me to upload the avatar. But right now you need to pay for it in order to use your customized avatar. And this one is generated using Yepic, and I was playing around with it, so this wasn't done properly. And this is generated using DID, and the final one is generated using Yepic. And if you ask me which is my preferred one, and I'm definitely going to use Yepic for my talking head kind of video. For one very good reason is because Yepic right now has one lifetime deal. And Yepic right now has a lifetime deal that's going to cost you £99, and that is going to be about $125 USD. And I think this is a very good plan because this is a lifetime deal. And the number of video that you can create is up to 66 video. And they include 11 lab text-to-speech. And 11 lab is one of the more popular kind of text-to-speech. Although personally I use play.ht most of the time. But for this Yepic, they do include the 11 lab voices. Of course, if you look at my video, the tutorial that I'm teaching you is trying to clone, which I definitely do not suggest you to clone anyone else's voice. So we should always look at our own voice or using a text-to-speech. So for Yepic, that is a very good deal. If you compare with all the others like DID Pro or Heygen, then that is going to cost you at least 400 plus per year, and for Heygen is 200 plus per year, and the number of video that you can do is only very limited per month. Of course, this is a video per month. And right now, for £99, the number of credit you can get is 200 on Yepic. And if I remember correctly, 1 minute of video will take up about 4 credit. So with 200 credit, you can generate about 50 minutes of video per month. And even if you do not take up the lifetime deal, if you look at the Yepic pricing, this is going on a monthly per month base. This is going to cost you about £7 per month, and you have 50 credit. So 50 credit is about 12 minutes, but this is a watermark plan, so definitely we do not want to use that. So the minimum you have to go is £29 per month, and then you have 200 credit. One question you have to ask yourself is how many video are you going to generate? If you are going to generate just 5 to 10 video, then you can choose any kind of package that you want. But if you are going to generate 10-20 video every month, month after month, then the lifetime deal is what you should be looking for. And this lifetime plan is going to be taken down in probably 1 or 2 months. And if you are watching this video a few months later and the lifetime deal is not available, then that's just too bad. So if you have the chance now, and if you like to do this kind of talking head video, I suggest that you go for the Yepic, the lifetime deal. So if you look at the monthly plan, that is considered quite expensive. But of course, it still depends on what kind of needs that you want. But with this $29 pound, they give you 200 credit, that is about 50 minutes of video. And for DID, if you go for the cheapest plan, that is $4.70, about $5. That gives you only 10 minutes of video a month. And they have this DID watermark. you have to crop the video or upsize it in order to remove the watermark. But you can always try the free version because DID does offer a free version. So if you like what you see in DID and you're just creating maybe just 5 minutes of video because that's what you want for your introduction to your channel or whatever, then you can of course go for DID. And if you look at Heygen, the free version is only 1 credit. 1 credit is 1 minute, and that is have the watermark as well. And you don't have a custom avatar right now, because when I'm doing my YouTube video, the YouTube shorts, at that time I still can import in my own avatar, and there's a Heygen watermark because I crop it, so you can't see the Heygen watermark that is on the bottom right side, which is around here, if there's a watermark. So for Heygen, $29, you are going to get 15 credit per month, and 1 credit is 1 minute, so you are going to get 15 minutes of video per month. I believe you guys can do the maths yourself to see which is more worth it. If you are doing this on a long-term basis, then I definitely say go for this Yepic, because for $99 you get 200 credit every month, month after month, so you can create 50 minutes of video every month, a talking head kind of video. And this is a place where I could call it all in one places. Is there any other free kind of talking head that we can get? Yes, there's a couple. We can go for Stat Talker or another kind of talking head, which I may cover up in my future video. But if you just want a simple interface, everything all in one, then go for this Yepic. Of course, the only thing left is actually the subtitle. Most of these do not have the closed caption or subtitle, so you need to use CapCut for the closed caption, which I have done a tutorial on this. So if you look at the Yepic right now, okay, I have about 500 credit because that's what they give me. And if you look at my plan, this is my plan. So I have a standard plan, and this is a lifetime deal. So this is active. So every month I should receive about 200 or 500 credit. I'm not sure, because for this time round they give me 500 credit because I'm doing some YouTube, so they give me extra credit. And the good thing about Yepic right now is that you can upload any kind of avatar. Let's say I'm going to create something with Express. So I have used this Jack Ma during my tutorial. If I want to upload, I can upload any kind of avatar. There's not going to be any kind of violation. Because for DID, they are very strict. I'm not sure about Heygen. You have to try that on Heygen if you have a paid subscription. But for DID, then basically we can upload any kind of avatar right now. Of course, this may change in future because I think it is not a good idea and definitely not recommended to use somebody else's avatar. But for now, Yepic allows you to upload any kind of avatar. And of course, if the avatar has no copyright issue, then you can use it on any kind of platform. Okay, so for this, because this is a cartoon kind of figure, so Yepic cannot detect it, so I may have to use AI to generate another one. But let's say if you want to create and you're happy with the avatar of what they have provided, then you can always use it. You can always use it, and then you can always use your own script. So if you have your own script, then you don't have to clone a voice like what I show you, because that is definitely not recommended. So even when we preview, they will cost us some credit, but that's fine to me because after all, I have about
Welcome to my channel.
500
I hope
credit,
you enjoy the
or
video.
even
Do
on the
like and
lifetime plan,
subscribe.
I have about 200 credit.
Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Do like and subscribe.
So if you don't like the voice, then we can always change it because right now it's using Adam and then.
Hello, I'm Allison, one of the American English synthetic voices.
So you can see all the provider here, and the best one is of course on the 11 lab.
Hello, I am Clyde, one of the American English synthetic voices.
Hello, I am Domi, one of the American English synthetic
So depend
voices.
on what kind of video that you want to do. If you want to do a motivation
Hello,
video,
I am Clyde, one of the American English
then
synthetic
use a
voices.
deeper voice. So let's say if I want to change
Hello,
and use this.
I am Callum, one of the American English synthetic voices.
Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Do like and subscribe.
So that is what we can choose. And I change it to Emily.
Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy the video. Do like and subscribe.
And so that is how easy you are going to create a talking head avatar with Yepic. So you don't have to go through others. And of course, Yepic does more than just that, because what I've shown you is only the express mode. If we go into the pro mode, then you can do a whole lot more, because you can add your PowerPoint slide. And then we can select all the different kind of actor that we want. These are the character that Yepic offer. And of course, like I mentioned, you can always create an avatar from Leonardo AI. So with that, I conclude my video today, and I hope you will take advantage of this Yepic Lifetime Deal. I'll post a link on the description below, so you can take advantage of the Yepic Lifetime Deal if you want the Lifetime Deal today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.